So the first product is
Subscribe to Segona Casa for more such wrinkles.
Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.
Hey guys, this is Suvarna. Welcome to Segona Casa. Today is a beauty product review day and a bad hair day. So shall we start? I have ordered the Lujo Box. It consists of products from the company Seer Secrets. There are 5 products in it. I will be going in order. Firstly, I'll introduce you to the Seer Secrets Sebum Retarding Facial Cleanser, which is particularly for oily skin. I use this because mine is highly oily. And another point that I want to raise here is Lujo boxes are available in different variants. I chose the acne fighting one. You can choose anything, as in for combination or for normal to dry skin. Everything is available. So this would be primarily for people who have oily skin. So let me start off. Sebum Retarding Facial Cleanser is something that I use at nights. So why do I use this at night is because the entire day I keep applying a lot of stuff on my face. It could be serums, it could be mists, it could be oils, it could be packs. So this is something that I would like to apply to remove my dirt completely, and then only put something or only apply something that will again lock the goodness or that will start repairing my skin, which is ideal at nights. So that's the reason why I wash my skin with this, and it's got lemon and cinnamon, perfect combination for reduction of oiliness, at the same time retaining some of the skin oils which are good for your skin. And lemon, again, vitamin C, so it enhances the goodness by giving you a lot of refreshment to your skin, at the same time making it healthy with by increasing a lot of vitamins. The second product is Seer Secrets Micro Facial Exfoliant. As the name suggests, it's got tiny beads just like small white pearls. And I don't know if this camera would do justice because I would like to show you the texture. You would not even see it. It's white in color. It's only when you rub it in your fingers you will see those really tiny dust-like things. They're small beads and they're pretty safe, because why I tell you is, if I use a walnut scrub, which is slightly on the higher side when it comes to scrub intensity, I can actually hurt my little pimples which are in the evolving stage, and it could be quite risky, you know. I could end up in creating bruises on my skin. So in such cases, it would be great if you actually switch to a microfacial exfoliant like this, because even if you rub it over your pimples, it's not going to give you any bruises and no pain at all. It just smoothly glides over it. At the same time, these beads dissolves in those areas and reduces the dry patches, and it gets into your skin. You can actually feel it penetrate into your skin, and once you wash it off, the bumpiness of those pimples that you see are not rough anymore. They're smooth. The outer layers are actually taken off, and you can feel that your pimple is slowly receding. So that is one good thing about this. Step 3 would be the pore minimizing clay gel. Again, with a combination of vitamin C and red clay. You all know clay does wonders for oily skin, so that addition gives me a lot of happiness. Vitamin C again is good for all skin types to remain healthy. So I'm really happy with this combination. You may not get that satisfaction of a complete coverage because it looks kind of jelly, you know, and you can see your skin through it, but do not worry, there is coverage. Unlike a normal multani mitti mask or any sort of powdered or clay mask, you completely cover your face, right, and you don't see your skin through them. So this is not like that. You can see your skin through it, but at the same time it will be like a creamy finish all over your face, so you don't have to worry. This is how it looks. It's slightly jellyish and, you know, thickish but the moment you apply it on your face, it will be all like just like a gelato. It will just spread, but it may not have the same pigmented color all over your face. Your face could be easily seen through it. When it comes to the effects, they do say that the function of this is basically to minimize the pores, but according to me, it is not an immediately effective thing that you could see. I think it's a gradual process. So I've been using it for 14 days right now. I do see a difference in terms of reduction of pimple origination. But if you ask me about pore minimizing, I think I should be using this product for at least a month for me to give you a proper review on that. Otherwise, yes, after applying this and washing it off after 15 to 20 minutes, I do get a very fresh feel, and it's got this strong Ayurvedic kind of a smell, so it satisfies my senses. And I know it is working on my skin because it's got a slightly tingling effect, and because of which you know it is kind of acting on your skin. So yes, it's not going to disappoint me in any way. It's just that I have to tell you this, that the effects will be gradual only. The next product is a hydrating toning facial serum. One really good thing about this product is it's watery. It's really watery, and that's something that we need. If you want, I'll show it to you here on my hand. I'm just putting some drops. Oops, I'm dropping out my chair. Here you go. Now you can see this. It's water. And just like a toning mist, it gets absorbed completely. And you get a small, shiny kind of a feel, see? This is more like a glow than a shiny feel that you get when you apply oil on your face. And being an oily skinned lady, I would not enjoy something which is oily. I would need something like this, which is really watery, which hydrates my skin and penetrates in and works on all the pimple originating pores. It's kind of nice, right? It's very, and I also feel kind of very good. This area is quite smooth now because it conceals all your pores, and you feel that, you are done for the day. You're sort of closing your skin and no pollutants or nothing entering in your skin anymore. You're just going to rest and your skin is going to do the job throughout. The good thing that I found is this is something that I apply and I leave it overnight. I wash this the next day. So when I wash my face, I do feel a bit of creaminess when I wash it off, as in with plain water itself. So after I do so, one thing I wanted to highlight is here, this area below the chin. I have a lot of whiteheads that originate on this area, and it's been 14 days plus that I've been using this every day, every night. And when I touch that surface now, I don't find it bumpy at all. It has reduced considerably, and I have this confidence that when I continue to use this for another 2 weeks, I can smoothly glide over that area. I don't think I will find any whiteheads anymore. So I would really want to be consistent with this product. I think it's quite good. I would recommend this serum to everybody who's got blackheads and whiteheads and are finding for solutions. And last but not least, we have the natural toning mist. It's in the rose flavor, and that's something that none of us can deny. This is something I keep applying. Even after applying the serum at night, I do treat my skin with this toning mist before I hit bed. That completes my night routine. I use this as night routine because that's when your cells repair and bring the best out of you. So I use this as a night routine. There are people who use it in the day also, but I would recommend using these products at night so that you can leave them off and let them do its work. And this toning mist is something that you can keep using even during the day, as in after you apply your sunscreen, you can spray this on your face and then you can do your work. And then later, when you feel that it's all dry, you can again do a second layer of your sunscreen, or even use this toning mist directly on your skin without a sunscreen. You will feel that fresh feeling, and you'll feel all your dry area and patches loosen up, and you'll feel good. At the end of the day, you're hydrating your skin, you're like giving water to your skin, so nothing better than that. So that's it for the day. I've covered 5 products and I've given you descriptions about each of them. They are all really nice, except a few which will have gradual effects on your skin. I also want to tell you that this particular box of goodies or goodness or whatever you want to say has actually moved my skin texture 3 times better than how it was when I started. So it's really smooth and supple, so I highly recommend. Now, if you really want to purchase it right away, you have a small link in my description which you can click and book now. Why am I asking you to go through the link? Because you can enjoy special discounts. So what are you waiting for? Go and get your Lujo box today. Until we meet next, toodles!